If you want the people who are watching your free content to actually buy from you, there's one element you have to get right. Today I'm going to show you what that is and how to nail it so that your lead magnets can be supporting your business and not just supporting those freebie seekers. I'm Mandy Kupacek. Let's dive into a client before and after. I have a wellness coaching client who has about 100 women a month who click her Facebook ad and download the freebie you're seeing here, the Practice of Joy Foods. Now, about 50% of those folks join her free Facebook group, which is phenomenal, right? But almost zero buy. So while people were responding, the right people weren't. Now, all of the women who clicked on that ad because they were ready to invest in a solution, they found somebody else, which is a total shame because she absolutely delivers in her programs. Now, the question is, why? And I'm going to explain this with an example. Early on in the PDF, she gives a definition of joy foods. Generally, it's this. Typically, it's something you really enjoy and makes you happy, or it's something that allows you to participate in a social event. Now, there are a couple things missing from this definition that make her guidance hard to apply in real life. And that's not like this coach. Her style is crystal clear, tangible, super action-oriented. Like her clients in her group coaching program know exactly how much protein to have in the morning, how much water to drink, all that stuff. So that's missing here. And without going into too many details, I'm just going to show you the updated copy to give you a sense of what the transformation looks like. So here you see the new definition is any food or beverage that you genuinely want to consume and that isn't nutrient dense. What we've done here is prevent confusion, but we didn't only do this explicitly with simpler, well-structured writing. We prevented confusion in a way more subtle way by matching the style and quality level of this little free training with our bigger paid offers. And when I say quality level, it doesn't have to be a big solution you're providing. It's whatever you're giving should be executed as well as you would for a paying client. And I know that sounds intense if you're cranking out a bunch of new lead magnets all the time, but this is why I'm always saying less is more. Fewer freebies, shorter freebies, lower tech, whatever you need to do to maintain your standards. And the reason these details are so important is because they come into play when making a purchasing decision. Your potential client will get a subconscious, intuitive feeling that this isn't what they're looking for. They won't really know why, it'll just be a hit, and so they won't feel safe moving forward. So now this coach has a lead magnet that's really clear and action-oriented like she is, so her ideal clients aren't confused and they feel excited to book that sales call. Now, if you have a lead magnet or two that aren't getting you the sales that you want to get, I'm going to put a link below to my checklist, 6 easy lead magnet edits that I recommend every online entrepreneur apply. So check that out. And the last thing is, if anything in this video inspired you, if you're getting some ideas about how you might tweak your own training content, let us know in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're working on.